Welcome back. In this one, we're going to talk about authorization for select airspaces, which are controlled and regulated. Prior authorization is required for Class B, C, D, and Class E within the lateral boundaries of the surface area of the airspace designated for an airport. No authorization is required for Class E surface extensions, but normal SUAS operational rules apply. We're going to use this Class C as an example to discuss where you can fly and where you need authorization. In this, you can see the Class C and also the Class E transition area from 700 feet to 1200 feet. This is the VFR sectional chart of the previous slide. Here you can see the ring of the Class C and also the Class E transition area from 700 to 1200 feet AGL. It'll make better sense when we look at this with a profile view. With this profile view, you can see the Class E transition area just a little bit better. Okay, take the same Class E example and let's break it down with a little more detail. A waiver is required in all the areas that have an X. In this, we can see the two floors of the Class E airspace, 1200 feet AGL and 700 feet AGL, and the transition area. We also see the Class C airspace and the Class G airspace. The only area that you can operate as an SUAS pilot is the Class G airspace up to 400 feet AGL. Next up are SUAS operations near an airport, and this can be described as controlled and regulated airspace that is typically 5 nautical miles around an airport. Side note, not all airports have a 5 nautical mile radius. However, for the exam, if you have to choose 5 nautical miles. For controlled airspace, authorization is required. Contact the ATC. Uncontrolled airspace is Class G. No authorization required. Also, as a remote pilot in command, you need to be aware of all traffic patterns and approach corridors. You need to practice see and avoid and yield right of way if it ever comes to that. You'll see this more than once.